Okay, this is a video tutorial on how to work on your assignment number 9, the stylized portrait. Here I have my Adobe Illustrator opened, and then I will create a new document. The instruction is to start this with a 5 by 7. Be sure that you are in inches because a few students have overlooked this portion of the instructions and they submitted the file as in points. When you do that and when you convert that into inches at 5 by 7 points, that would be only like 1.5 inches by something. It is a small file compared to inches. So I have here a 5 by 7 CMYK 300 ppi and then create a brand new file. First, I need to put my reference photo on the first layer, create a new layer. So my first layer should reflect that and rename the layer as original photo and then embed the image on that layer. And then you have to change the size depending on what you want to do with it. You can just take your own selfie and upload it to your computer or email the photo to yourself. However you want to do it, that's fine with me. So I have here the original image, and to start with my work I just have to create new layers, and maybe I will name the layer as face, name this as maybe lips and nose, and then I got my face, lips, nose, how about eyes, and then I can do hair, and maybe the last layer would be background, so on and so forth. You can create several layers dedicated to different elements on your background. So you can start working on this by, of course, you have to tone down the image. Right now you have to dim this down so that it's easier for you to design this and do your illustration on top of the original photo. And then you have to lock this and then go to your face layer, and depending on the style that you like to work on, I'm thinking of using my pen tool. Then I will just follow the contour and the shape of my face. I don't think I like to put any colors right now because that's very distracting. Go to your properties panel. Okay, I think I like that portion. And keep on working around the face. Remember to use the click and drag if you want to get a smooth curves. So that is my first shape for the face. I can go to my hair layer, or I can go with my eyes layer or my lips layer here, and then start working on that lips. Again, I'm going to use maybe the pen tool for this. There you go. And then you can put some details on this part of your face. Maybe use a different shading, and you can start working on the shading later on. And in this case, since I'm here right now, let me just do some adjustment here because my lips is actually rounded on that portion, so I can bring this down. I think that's the right way of doing it. Yes, and then as you can see, I have some sort of a dark shade here on my lower lips. Then I can probably use a different shape on the bottom to put my shading. You can probably do some small details on the face. You see, I made a mistake here without highlighting my leaves layer. Go to my selection tool, and then I can get those details and put it on my leaves layer, and then just paste in place, so it will be on the so that element will be on the correct layer. So going back to my face, I can start creating some sort of a detail illustration for the chin. So that's how you do the first few parts of the face, and then you can keep on working on it, and then I will show you the rest of this. I have to put this in time lapse because it's quite long, and I hope you enjoy this. Thank you.